What do you need to know to get to the top of the best business in the world? The most important thing you need to know is that your real estate license guarantees you nothing, but most schools don't want you to know that. While they brag about their pass rates in class, what they don't tell you is how many of their students fail in the real world of real estate. What they really don't want you to know is that they don't know what to do about it, but we do. The real test is outside the classroom. We will get you licensed or we'll give you your money back, but the hard part is not getting the license. The hard part is learning how to use it, which most schools can't teach you because most of them have never listed or sold any real estate. We have. We have been involved in hundreds of real estate transactions. That's why our course curriculum has been endorsed by some of the largest real estate owners and managers in the world. Our mentoring, business, and investing courses have been endorsed by presidents and CEOs of the largest boards and associations in Texas. Why? Because we teach you how to get your license and then we teach you how to use it. We're the only school in the state that offers a mentoring program that's included in your pre-licensing package. The mentoring program is 40 hours of hands-on training with an experienced broker who will show you how to generate leads, go on appointments with you, and provide you with a year of education in 1 week. This is what we mean when we say get your license, learn to use it. Good grades do not equal success. A good business education will. The Real Estate Business School is where you get it. Thank you. Now go mind your own business.